Time to go exploring. Oh yeah!
Germany, like a white Christmas, only it's not Christmas.
Time to go exploring. Oh yeah! So we're here at the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin. What's the significance of it there?
I don't really know.
No?
No.
No, we don't know anything about it. We will find out and we'll tell you accordingly. Oh yeah! So we're heading for the Reichstag. Reichstag. We're heading for the Reichstag now. It's a Parliament building here in Germany. And we're going up that dome. We're going up that dome for a wee view. And it's free as well. Boom! Okay, you finished smiling? Okay, let's stay there. And I'll do this again. 230 metres long, this ramp. Getting all the information here. I seem to have lost my wife. Yep. There she is. It's asking us to pause for a minute and enjoy the view. Okay, so let's enjoy the view. Yeah, cracking view like. There's a rooftop. Okay, so that is 10 metres in diameter, and when it rains, rain goes in there and then it escapes. And the whole point of that is to allow stale air, stale air to escape from the preliminary chamber. Interesting. So that's a plenary chamber down there. It's a heart of German democracy. Really quite cool. So we've just done the Reichstag building, and on a clear day this is what we would have seen. We'd have seen the whole city. But what did we see, Claire?
Hee-ho!
She always does that after a kiss. She's such a brat. As it's done in the Hard Rock, I love going to Hard Rock cafes. I collect t-shirts, so I have another one for my collection and I'll show you that someday. So we're heading now for some food, We're going to a place called Focacino. Focacino?
Yep.
Focacino. So we need to get back on the train and head that way somewhere. Somewhere up there. So this restaurant Focacino that we were looking for is closed. I think they're on a winter break. Apparently it's really good. Claire found it on TripAdvisor, but what can you do? These things happen. Everybody needs a break now and again, so we need to find somewhere to eat. We're starving and we both need to pee. Right, we're back in a hotel room. We're going to eat here, keep it simple, because otherwise we'd have been spending ages trying to find somewhere and we'd have probably fallen out. So yeah, we're going to just eat here, keep it simple. Gaelic for this vlog is t-acras aram. T-acras aram. And that means I'm starving, I'm really hungry. T-acras aram. Cheers now.